The horror.
Oh God.
Jesus. That is just soaking wet.
This is horrible. Okay. Gotta deal with it.
I had a feeling when I first looked under this bed that it was going to be pretty significant, and it is. But I'm really glad that we were able to just pull this all out. We're going to be building a whole new bed platform here, so it's better that we just do it right the first time than dealing with all of this crap underneath it. Obviously, this has been ignored for years, and it can't be ignored any longer. So I'm going to get to it. I got all of the fiberglass and the disintegrated subfloor out of the areas that we had worked on yesterday. Now I'm going to clean out the inside a little bit more and start pulling out the pieces of subfloor that are definitely corroded but need a little bit more persuasion to come out. After we got the whole area cleared out, we had to clear out the C-channels of all of the, disintegrated subfloor. That way, when we slide the new subfloor in, it has a place to go. That's the channel that's going to be accepting it. This is the C-channel. This is what our new subfloor is going to slide into, like this. Now, originally, it would also be secured by a screw that's coming down this way, or a bolt. But what we're going to be doing is just sliding it in, and then we're going to be bolting it to the metal beams and the cross beams. What I'm trying to do here is to get all of this wood, this disintegrated wood, out of the C-channel. And what we're going to end up doing is definitely taking out like this part, all of this. I think we're going to take the water heater out, which is under this. We're going to take that out because when we build the new bed, we want to have a modular space for that. And this whole setup is just old and gross, and we need something new. So what we're probably going to end up doing, the subfloor looks to be okay, like right here. But I think we're going to remove, all of this right here, probably a lot of this here, and maybe some under the water heater if we determine that it is a mess, because if it's a mess, we don't need to have it in our trailer. I'll have a couple more Airstream repair videos up for you in the coming weeks, so if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. That way, you will be notified whenever we release new videos. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Good to see you, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.